Hi everyone, this is Mohammed from megaprogrammers.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about doing mathematical operations in C Sharp. To start, we can try console dot writeLine 2 plus 2, and to make the window stick around, console dot readLine. Let's go ahead and click on our start button, and as you can see, as expected, 4. So now let's try assigning a variable a as an integer, so int a equals, let's give it a value of 10, and int b equals, let's give it a value of 4, and let's try adding them together. So console dot writeLine a plus b, click start, and as you can see, 14. So now let's try creating a separate variable for the result of our mathematical operation. So let's try to subtract b from a. So int sub, short for subtraction, equals a minus b. Let's try to output that variable to our console. And as you can see, 6, no problem. So now that we tried the addition and the subtraction, let's try the multiplication. So console dot writeLine a times, which is the asterisk, or shift and 8, b. And let's review the result. And as you can see, 40, no problem. So now to the tricky one, which is the division. So let's go ahead and try it first and know why is it tricky. So console dot writeLine a divided by b. Let's go ahead and review the result. And it's 2, but it's supposed to be 2.5. Why is that? That is because the division of two integers will always result in integer. So basically, C# discard the 0.5 that you have, which is the result of your division. So how to solve that? As we know, 2.5 is considered a floating point number, so we can use double or decimal. So let's go ahead and try. So float a1, let's give it a different name, equals 10. Float b1 equals 4. Let's go ahead, console.writeLine, and then a1 divided by b1. And I missed the 4 there. And as you can see, 2.5. Okay, so that's one solution. What is the other solution? The other solution is if we get rid of that and make one of the variables as a float, like a is still an integer, b is a float, so the result is going to be a float, 2.5. The third way is we can actually do like float, let's call it division, equals, and that's typecasting. We're going to be taking a look at it in later videos, but let's try it for now. Equals, and open a bracket, float a divided by b. Let's try to output that, console.writeLine, division. Let's go ahead and click start. And as you can see, again, 2.5, no problem. So we have different solutions. The first one is to redefine both the variables so we would not lose that float. We can define one of them as a float, so integer divided by float will give us a float, or float divided by integer will give us a float as well. Or we can try the typecasting that we just saw, and we still will take a deeper look into typecasting in a later video. So that's it for this video, and until the next one, happy programming!